Look, we have all had brain fog. It's frustrating, it's debilitating, it's a condition characterized by confusion, forgetfulness, lack of focus, and it can significantly impact your daily life, making even simple tasks seem more challenging than they should be. Understanding the root causes of brain fog and implementing holistic techniques and remedies can help alleviate brain fog and restore mental clarity. Here are 5 things you can do to combat brain fog and enhance cognitive function. First, let's talk about the root causes. Autoimmune issues. Autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks itself or its own tissues, often present symptoms of brain fog. Conditions such as Hashimoto's, thyroiditis, lupus, mold exposure. I've had it in 3 houses, my friend. It's often overlooked, but it significantly can impact your life as it has mine and your cognitive health. Things that you may not see today may show up months down the road because of mold and all of the mitochondrial dysfunction that could come from it. You've heard me talk about mitochondria before. This is the powerhouse of your cells. They are responsible for energy production, and the dysfunction of these literal cellular power plants, your ATP, can actually lead to fatigue, cognitive impairments, which contribute to brain fog. A poor diet, right? Nutritional deficiencies also can play a role. People eat a lot of processed foods, which lacks a lot of essential nutrients, impacts their guts, so they're not absorbing as many vitamins and minerals, which causes all types of mineral and vitamin deficiencies. And these are some common contributors. Lastly, and one of my favorite things to talk about is just the chronic stress level that our babies I got a dad brain. I'm thinking about my baby girl. She's like 10 months old. It was her first acupuncture appointment today. So she went and got acupuncture as a baby. These kids that are coming to the planet are insane right now, aren't they? I'm going off on a tangent. Let's pull the focus back. Brain fog, it can also lead to mitochondrial issue, disrupt natural rhythms, change cognitive functions, leading to hormonal imbalances, more inflammation, which exacerbates absolutely everything, my friend. I wouldn't be the health guy if I wouldn't give you some nutritional strategies that we can actually use to combat brain fog. Number 1, adopting a Mediterranean type of diet can help reduce inflammation and support brain health. I think leafy greens, superfoods, powerful micronutrients, antioxidants rich in folate, right, can support brain function. I like fatty fish that doesn't have heavy metals or microplastics, which is hard to come by nowadays, right? Essential for cognitive health. I take an omega-3 and an omega-7 supplement, which helps. I also eat a lot of wild berries, at least 1 cup of blueberries a day, raspberries, strawberries. I make sure they're organic, glyphosate residue free if you can get them. Make sure the farm isn't spraying it with pesticides. Make sure the farm is using neem oil or something like that instead than this glyphosate, which is absolutely everywhere. Also nuts and seeds that your body agrees with, because every body's different. Some people don't do well with cashews, peanuts, that kind of stuff. So do what's right for your body to support your own brain health. One of my favorite brain superfoods is also turmeric, which contains curcumin, and that's a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. You also want to stay hydrated. Hydration is absolutely crucial for brain function. When you're dehydrated, it can impair memory. So I aim for at least 1 ounce of water for every 2 pounds that I weigh. I don't like the 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Make sure you're hydrated. If you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know, just check your pee. If it is a light yellow color, you're probably hydrated. White, if it's clear, you're probably a little overhydrated, maybe not enough minerals. Anything that's darker than that, you want to add more water in. And you'll notice when you're dehydrated because you're hungry sometimes. I think 70% of the time we're hungry, we're just dehydrated. The body is a juicer, so just drink more nourishing, structured living water. Like, that's gonna change the game. Fasting has also been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and the body. So fasting for me at night is better than fasting in the morning. I shoot for 12 to 16 hours without any food at all. I usually stop eating around 2 or 3 so that I get more REM and deep sleep. Super powerful for brain fog. When we reduce inflammation by fasting, we're also increasing autophagy, which is the body's natural process of clearing out damaged cells. 16, some people do 20-hour fast. They only have a 4-hour feeding window, which is crazy. Test it for you. Figure out what works better for you. As a man, the older I get, the longer I like to fast. But in my 20s and 30s, when my metabolism may have been a little bit higher, I have shorter windows. As a woman, I don't really recommend fasting that much unless it's 12 to 14 hours, shorter fast, making sure you're getting enough calories. A woman's hormones are completely different than a man's. There's a lot more to take account for. So make sure that if you are gonna fast, that you have somebody that's supervising you, that's done it before, that's helped other clients fasting. Doing it the wrong way can lead to a whole host of issues, thyroid issues, mitochondrial issues, fatigue issues. So you just wanna be careful. But I'm a big fan of fasting, with all that being said. Another point of fasting is it actually increases BDNF, which is brain-derived neurotrophic factor. These are new brain cells. For the longest time, they said you couldn't grow new brain cells, but fasting does it. So does sitting in a sauna. So does socializing with somebody new and having deep, compelling conversations. Imagine that, being human. Also, something I do for brain fog is I'll take nootropics every once in a while. Now, these are known as cognitive enhancers that can improve brain function. Some of the ones I like to use would be rhodiola rosea, and this is an adaptogens that Vikings would take way back in the day to reduce fatigue, improve mental performance, and literally go to war as Vikings. They would drink rhodiola. Lion's mane mushroom is another one which increases NGF, nerve growth factor, which is the synapses in the brain that healthy brain needs, right? So lion's mane is one of my favorite things. And then also Bacopa monera, and this is an herb that helps with memory, increases serotonin, increases BDNF in the brain. There's also adaptogens like ashwagandha, ginseng, holy basil that help us adapt to stress and maintain balance, improving cognitive function and reducing anxiety. One of the things I love too is photobiomodulation. Sitting in front of different light colors in the sauna, the infrared sauna, even the hot sauna with the red light can really help improve your brain fog. Detox. I love coffee enemas. I've been doing coffee enemas for the past 15 years, increasing glutathione production, which is Mother Nature's greatest antioxidants. Naturally, your liver can help you create more glutathione when you do a coffee enema. That's another thing you might want to try too. So another supplement I like to use is Organifi Pure. It's got the baobab, it's got lion's mane, it's got neurofactor in it, which has been shown in clinicals to improve BDNF by 209%. It is the most underrated Organifi product. You can get that by clicking the link below. I'll put it below this video. Organifi Pure is what it's called. Long story short, consistency and knowing what works for you with this, having a certain level of mindfulness around it is gonna be impactful to get rid of your brain fog. Ultimately, I just wanted to open up the conversation for this community by introducing maybe some remedies you haven't heard of and asking you, what remedies do you use to get rid of brain fog? What biohacks are you using to get back on track when you do have brain fog? Leave that in the comments below. I'm gonna choose a winner for next week like we always do. I'm gonna give away a juicer from Kuvings, and I'm also gonna give away some Organifi products for the best comment next week, so make sure you tune in for that.
All right, guys, winner of this week's Kuvings juicer and the $200 plus bundle is Nina Pastras official, and it isn't any wonder. She has beat down thyroid cancer in 2020, mothering 3 children, wanting and desiring more energy in her life, not going to accept defeat. Nina, the juicer is going out to you. $200 of Organifi products. I love that you're from Michigan as well. I am too. Thank you so much for all of your support, all of your love. It is going out to you this week.
So the next video you should watch is right here. Let's keep moving down your health journey, my friend. I'll be your guide on the side, helping you rediscover your life and really feel good in your body right here, right now. Watch it. Did you click it?